I noticed that as a small growing YouTuber who just got monetized, has some issues in verifying their identity in Google AdSense. This has happened to me, and that is why I decided to make this video, to be able to help other small growing YouTubers just like me, for them not to go through the things I went through. So in today's video, I'll be walking you through on how to verify your identity in Google AdSense and the things you need to avoid during this process. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my channel. You are watching Ekwi's vlog and this is Ekwi. And if this is your first time of watching me on this channel, you are welcome. Please do always stay connected, and please at the end of this video, do not forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to this channel, because more interesting videos is definitely coming your way. So today I'm going to be taking you guys step by step on how to verify your identity in Google AdSense, because this is very important after your monetization, because YouTube will send you an email for you to do this, and if you don't do it rightly, it's possible you will not be able to get your monetization revenue anymore. So you have just 3 attempts to do this, and if that 3 attempts fails, then you will not be able to go to the next stage of address verification. So what I need to do first is to scan in my identity card recto verso, which is front and the back. You can also make use of your national passport or your driver's license or your voter's card if you are in Nigeria. But since I'm here in Belgium, I'm making use of the ID card. And make sure when you are scanning your ID card, either with your phone or with your laptop, that the visibility is top notch, is clear, so that it will be acceptable. So guys, what I'm trying to do here is, before I upload my identity card, because I use my phone in scanning it, so I want to transfer it from my phone to my laptop. So I sent it first to my email. So this is my 2 identity. That's the front one, that's the back one. So I'm going to save this now to this laptop file, because it's from the file I'm going to upload the identity into the verification page. So I click on the first one, download and more. Download this file. So this is where it is. So I'm going to give it a name. I'll just leave it as EUID, and then I save it. I click on the save button. So it's saved already. Now I go again to the next one. I go back to my email. I click on it here at the top. So that's PDF 1. Then I go back to my inbox. I go to PDF 2. So I'm trying to save the file first to the laptop, guys. So I come here now. I click on the 3 dots over there. And then download this file. I click on download. So here we are going to type Google AdSense. Log in. So you can see there's no earning here. Action required. There is something to check in your AdSense for YouTube payment account. So I go to payments. So you have to make sure that where you reside correspond. You can see Belgium is stated there. I did it once, like I said, and then something happened, so I had to redo it now. So I want to verify now. Click on the verify now. I hope this time around it works, because this is the second time I'm trying this, guys. Finger crossed. So I'm here now. This is the requirement. One of this is allowed. My EU ID card, I can use it. My residence permit, my passport or my driver's license. And you have to make sure that any of this identity you are making use of corresponds with the name on your account. If not, it will be rejected. So that was why they refused it. So now I click here, confirm. Then I click retry verification. So when you click on the try again verification, this is the interface that came up. So personal identity. So they told me what the problem was. They said the documents you previously submitted had the following problems. The uploaded document is a photocopy. Yeah, I didn't photocopy it, I just scanned it. That's another thing. If you don't have a good phone camera, it will look as if it's photocopied, whereas it's real. So that's what happened. So I'm praying now that this time around is going to be genuine. So I'm going to redo it. So I click one, and then I upload the front one, and the front one is the first EU ID. I click on it, I open it. I hope it will accept it, guys. I'm praying it accepts it. If not, I'm in trouble. Yes, it accepted it. I'm so happy, guys. So let's go to the next one. Oh my god, I was scared. And then you click on the next one, which is the EU ID. So I click on it, and then I opened it again. Yes, guys, the second one has also been accepted. So now my address is here. Clicked the next button, and then we wait and see. So my address is here now. I don't need to enter my address because yeah, everything is here. I can see it and it's correct. So you can see here at the top, my ID has been accepted, guys. So I'm just doing a cross check now to see if everything is okay. So everything is okay. Then I click submit. So guys, this particular section is really important. What I did was that I tried to edit some things on my ID card, to be honest, before putting it on my file on my laptop, and then it refused it. But I decided to just leave it the way it is, and then now it is the way it is. So you can see verification in progress. Then I click got it. So this Google Adsense now is going to change after some time. So they are verifying it. So this verification takes 2 to 3 days, and after which I will now go to the next stage. So that's it, guys. You can see it's written your identity verification is in progress. Please allow a few days for verification, and then I will get another email from YouTube with my PIN to do my address verification, which I'll also be showing you in my next video. So guys, now that I have walked you through the process of you verifying your identity, I don't think there should be any problem for you in doing so yourself. It's very easy, as you can see, and mind you, it will take 2 to 3 days after your verification of your identity for YouTube to mail you again for you to go to the next stage, which is going to be the address verification. And before you do this your identity verification, please bear in mind that you need to ask yourself the question, which is, where do you want the money to be paid to, and into which account will you like the money to be paid to? These two questions are very important, because there are some content creators that when they started this YouTube of a thing, they were in a country, and then due to some certain issues best known to them, they had to leave that country and go to another country. So all these things, you have to also put them into consideration before you start your identity verification. So that will be all for today. Until I see you again on another interesting video, love you and bye.